Whether you're a pro contractor or a weekend renovator, you know the time and frustration grout can be, but not anymore. Meet EZ Grout by ColorFast, the smarter, faster, easier way to grout with professional results every time. EZ Grout is an innovative two-part system designed to simplify every project. At its core is our Grout Colorant, now a twofold solution. It can be used on its own to change or restore the color of existing grout, sealing and protecting it in the process, or pair it with our pre-measured base aggregate, where it doubles as the binder to create a smooth, easy to apply grout mix. The result is consistent color, effortless application, and long-lasting performance across walls, floors, backsplashes, and countertops. Pros love EZ Grout because it takes the strain out of the job. No heavy bags of grout to carry, no power tools needed for mixing, and no worries about water quality affecting your results. Just a simple, pre-measured system that delivers professional quality performance every time. And once mixed, a pail of EZ Grout will stay usable for a short period of time with the liner in place. Perfect for quick touch-ups or finishing other small jobs. Faster installs, easier cleanup, and long-lasting protection. That's why EZ Grout is the pro's choice. Make sure tiles and joints are clean and the adhesive is dry. If grouting walls and floors at the same time, cover the floor first to keep it safe from wash water while cleaning the wall grout. Before grouting, remove spacers and debris in the grout joints and clean the surface using a damp sponge. Avoid leaving water in the joints. The use of a topical sealer or grout release applied to unglazed porcelain tile, porous or textured tiles, or stone surfaces before grouting will facilitate cleaning. Remove excess adhesive from the mortar from the joint area so that 2/3 of the tile depth is left available for grouting. Shake colorant binder bottle well before mixing. Mix different lot numbers together to achieve uniform color prior to application. Open EZ Grout pail and remove the 4-ounce bottle of base material binder with the base material liner. Shake 4-ounce bottle of binder and pour it onto the base material first. Pour colorant binder into base aggregate pail and mix by hand with a margin trowel. Mix thoroughly until a smooth consistency is achieved. For vertical applications, reserve approximately 2 ounces of binder to create a thicker mix that reduces sagging or slumping. Lightly dampen tile to assist with installation, horizontal surfaces only. Force the grout into the joints with a medium to hard rubber float held at a 45-degree angle to the tile surface. Float or spread the grout in an area within arm's reach, using a clean-as-you-go approach to spreading and washing the grout. Remove grout off the tile surface using the edge of the float held at a 90-degree angle like a squeegee, stroking diagonally to avoid pulling grout out of the filled joints. Ensure grout joints are completely full. More grout can be spread in cool, damp conditions, less in hot, dry conditions. Finishing and cleaning the grouted area should begin immediately and before grouting next section. Lightly dampen a section of the grouted tile surface up to 30 square feet with a sponge and clean water. Areas less than 30 square feet, let stand for at least 15 to 30 seconds. On the dampened surface, use a diagonal motion with a damp sponge and light pressure to shape the joints and loosen excess grout from the tile surface. Do not overwork the grout or use too much water, as this may cause low joints. Change the water bucket frequently to prevent the development of haze on the tile surface. For best results, we recommend rinsing the sponge after every final pass. Use each side of the sponge only between rinsing. Check work as you clean. If necessary, repair any low spots with additional grout. On walls, wring out a microfiber towel, fold towel flat to approximately 8 by 8, and with light pressure, wipe diagonally upwards to remove final haze. Use once on each side and rinse and repeat. Use light pressure when using a towel. EZ Grout isn't just a product, it's a better experience. Whether you're restoring or installing, it's the choice for results you can be proud of. EZ Grout by ColorFast. Visit colorfastind.com to learn more.